And races on Afternoon Delight from the outside, moving up by the release Vanilla Ice. In between runners, True Value, Eagle Swing, Dancing Tight, Slingshot Effect, and Grand Affair is the early trailer. Vanilla Ice by Happel and True Value. Afternoon Delight from the outside, Eagle Swing by Darrell. And on the outside, Slingshot Effect, Grand Affair, and Dancing Tights now running at the tail of the field. Rounding the far turn, Vanilla Ice by ahead. True Value in between runners, Slingshot Effect as they race the final corner. Vanilla Ice by a length and a half. True Value from the outside, Slingshot Effect, Grand Affair on the outside, Afternoon Delight, Eagle Swing, and Dancing Tide, and nearing the finish line, Vanilla Ice by Happel and True Value, and finally, Vanilla Ice, True Value, Slingshot Effect, Afternoon Delight, Dancing Tide, Grand Affair, Eagle Swings comes last.